Welcome back. This is the fifth time robbers struck Bhumika temple at Anjuna. Robbers fled away with gold ornaments of the deity and cash from donation box. The president of the temple claimed a loss of 1,05,000 rupees.
The incident occurred in wee hours of Wednesday. Robbers entered the Bhumika temple at Anjuna by breaking lock of the doors. The pujari in the temple informed that the robbers fled away with gold ornaments of the goddess Bhumika.
साधारण 3च्या दरम्यान म्हाका फोन येलो की देवळान चोरी जाल्या. त्यानंतर आमी 3:30 सुमार हांगासर पावले. पुलिसूय आसले, सगळे आसले आनी त्यानंतर मागीर सगळ्यांनी पुलिसीन बी हांगासर सगळे पळयले. पंचनामो आतां सकाळी केलो. हें देवीचो भिवयो म्हणून नाक, डोळे, तोंड आणि हेचे आपल्या शंकराचे नाम टिळो येला. गणपतीचे तशे आणि देवीचे कान येले, भांगराचे सगळ्या आणि मुखवटो येलो, चांदीचो मुखवटो आणि गणपतीक तशेंच डोळे, भिवयो आणि मिशयो अशें आसले. हे सगळे सोन्याचेच आसले.
This is the fifth time robbers have struck this temple.
हांगासल्याक कमीत कमी 1 लाखाच्या तितके जातले
आणि बाकीचे
पंडपेटी हे ते ते थोडे 4-5 लाख 4-5 हजार रुपया आसताले. हालींच आमी पंडपेटी उगडलेले.
टोटल कितलीशी देवळां फोडल्या? ते सगळे टोटल 5 देवळांचे म्हणजे कितके जातले?
ते 5 देवळाचे मेळून समज 1,05,000 आमी हे दिला.
A reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Marmagaon Municipal Council workers are up in arms against the Municipal Council. They are annoyed with notice served by the municipality to refund Provident Fund amount due from January 2011 to August 2012. The workers claim laxity on part of the municipality. MMC Chief Officer has accepted the fact but says workers have to refund the amount. Municipality is also considering recovery on installment basis.
Around 203 employees are served with the notice to refund Provident Fund amount due from January 2011 to August 2012. The total amount is almost 28 lakh rupees. Employees claim that it is negligence on the part of the municipality.
अभी छोड़ के मैं 4-5 महीना हुआ. अभी इधर से सडनली मेरे पास पैसा भर बोलता है, 5,500 तक भर बोलता है. तो मैं कैसा भरेगा?
आमका पेमेंट असलेले 213 आणि आमका पीएफ बी कट करता आशिल्ले. त्यांच्या अकाउंट मिस्टेक आना आम्ही कशी भरपाचे?
कट करने का रहेगा तो अकाउंट डाला, उन लोग पहले हमको पेमेंट में कट करके देना मांगता था. अभी वो कट नहीं किया तो हम लोग को भर बोलेगा तो क्या हमारा मिस्टेक है? हम लोग अभी काम को भी नहीं है तो पैसा हम लोग देगा किधर से देगा?
Councillor Shekhar Khadapkar has backed the workers. He says Chief Officer should investigate the goof up.
काउन्सिलाच्या हितून चेअरपर्सनाकडे उलोवन चीफ ऑफिसराक विचारता बाबा कोण चुकला. आता ते गरीब लोकांक स्वतःन अर्थ ना हांगा, त्यांची चूक नासतना ते खंयसून पैसे भरतले.
Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council, JB Bhingi, says employees have to pay the money within fortnight. He has kept installment options open for the workers.
आम्ही जवळजवळ 28 लाख रुपये प्रोव्हिडंट फंड त्यांचो भरपा जाय. जानेवारी 2011 ते सप्टेंबर 2012 पर्यंतचे पैसे तेंचे कडल्यान आमकां येवपा जाय आनी त्या खातीर आमी तांकां ती ऑर्डर काडिल्ली आसा. आनी हे जे आमी ऑर्डरीन जे पैसे मेन्शन केल्यात ते वर्कराच्या फायद्या खातीर आसा. आतां आमी तांकां एक उपाय हे दिला, सोंपो असो उपाय दिल्लो आसा आनी तो म्हणजे हे पैसे आमी तांकां जे आमी तांकां पेमेंट दिता तेतून थोडे आमी तेंचे कडल्यान कट करून घेता.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
It's classical Indian and Western performances. The Mont Festival presented by Fundasau the Orient and Siddharth de Goa will be held on 6th to 8th February. The event will be held at Our Lady of Mont, Old Goa for the 13th year. Artists from across the world will be a part of this celebration of heritage, music and dance.
It's the 13th year of Mont Music Festival's existence. So I'd really say that it's a very lucky 13. Showcasing various and very fine artists in fusion, the local flavors of Goa and a few international. 6th to the 8th of February is the period of the music festival. Siddharth has been attached with Fundasau Orient as one of the main co-sponsors for this particular music festival, and I repeat it every year. But one more time, I'd just like to say that we take absolute pride in associating with all kinds of art-related, folk-related, music-related events.
We have been putting up 12 editions of the festival that make up this event one of the most important and successful in Goa. We at Fundação Oriente start getting calls in January, early January, or even late December, asking when the Month Festival will take place. Not only from Goans, but there's also from tourists and other people from abroad.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.